Mitsubishi Airbag. Light reset, scanner and non-scanner methods. It can be unnerving to see warning lights flickering on your Mitsubishi's dashboard, particularly the airbag light. This guide will take you through the steps to reset the airbag light, with or without a scanner, across various Mitsubishi models. Whether it's a persistent airbag light on your Outlander PHEV, L200, Colt, Triton, Montero Sport, ASX, or Pajero, this guide aims to help you decipher your vehicle's signals. We'll also cover how to handle situations like a 2007 Mitsubishi Outlander airbag system service required warning and explain what it means if the passenger airbag light is on. Resetting the Mitsubishi airbag light with a scanner. Spot the problem. If the airbag light stays on after ignition, there may be a problem. Take note of any error messages. Ready your Mitsubishi airbag scanner. The diagnostic port is usually under the dashboard. Connect your scanner to this port. Start the scan. Turn the ignition on, but don't start the engine. Use the scanner to read the error code. Decode the error message. Understand the error codes the scanner provides. Each corresponds to a specific airbag issue. Jot down the code. Write down the code and try to understand what it means. Fix the issue. Use the error code to identify and resolve the problem. Clear the error. Once fixed, clear the error code from your scanner. If the light stays on, consider seeking professional help. Resetting the Mitsubishi airbag light without a scanner. Method 1. Battery disconnection. Turn off your car and all its electronics. Disconnect the negative terminal of the battery and leave it for 15-30 minutes. Reconnect the battery and check if the airbag light has gone off. Method 2. Ignition cycling. Turn the ignition to on without starting the engine. Wait for the airbag light to turn off and quickly switch off the ignition. Repeat until the engine starts on the final cycle. If these methods are unsuccessful, consult a mechanic. It's crucial to remember that the airbag light may signify a serious issue. Driving without functional airbags can be hazardous. Turning off the passenger airbag in a Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Sometimes, particularly when using a rear-facing child seat in the front, it may be necessary to disable the passenger airbag. Locate the airbag switch, typically inside the glove box or on the passenger's side dashboard. Insert your key into the switch and turn it to the off position. Check the dashboard airbag light. If the airbag is off, the light will stay on. Remember to turn the airbag back on when an adult is in the passenger seat. Always refer back to your vehicle manual or consult a professional for advice. Resetting the airbag light on other Mitsubishi models. For Mitsubishi L200, try disconnecting the battery or using a diagnostic scanner. If unsuccessful, consult a mechanic. For Mitsubishi Colt, use the ignition trick or a scanner. Again, if these methods fail, take your car to a mechanic. Frequently asked questions. Mitsubishi L200 airbag light reset. The light may indicate an issue. Using a professional diagnostic scanner should help identify and fix the problem. Reset airbag light on Mitsubishi Triton. Use an OBD2 diagnostics tool to read and reset fault codes. Always seek professional advice for potential faults. Reset airbag light on Mitsubishi Outlander. The airbag light can be reset using professional scanner tools, but always have your system evaluated to ensure safety. Mitsubishi Montero Sport. Airbag service required. This might mean your car needs a professional inspection to diagnose and fix the issue. Mitsubishi ASX airbag system reset service needed. The warning light could indicate minor to serious issues. It's advisable to seek professional help for a diagnosis and reset. Reset airbag light on Mitsubishi Pajero. This typically involves using a diagnostic tool, but always ensure its function is checked by an expert. Maintenance required on 2007 Mitsubishi Outlander airbag system. This warning should prompt an immediate professional inspection. Mitsubishi Outlander passenger airbag light is illuminated. This could mean the passenger airbag is disabled or has a fault. Get it inspected by professionals as soon as possible. Conclusion. This guide provided steps on how to reset the airbag light across various Mitsubishi models. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn airbag light or a service-required message, you should now be equipped to handle it. As always, if you're uncertain, your vehicle manual or a professional should be consulted. The safety features of your car are vital. Only disable them when necessary, and never without proper advice.